Let's talk about how to heal acne naturally. Welcome to the Uma Show. Acne is a very stubborn thing, and the lengthy list of chemical products that you choose to treat it with poses lots of side effects. Eventually, it gets really sickening. So, for those of you who don't want to expose your body to more chemicals you don't understand, let's talk about how you can heal your acne naturally. These pesky pimples are really stubborn and don't leave your skin easily. Almost 85% of population suffers from mild to moderate levels of acne every year. And for acne, age is just a number. So associating acne with teenagers only is not really wise either. But is it even possible to control these stubborn pimples naturally? The answer is a big yes. Before jumping to the how to's, let me tell you what are the major factors behind acne on your skin so that you can learn to prevent them as much as possible. So, it all begins when the pores in your skin start getting clogged with dead skin cells, oil, and dirt. Since every pore is connected to an oil producing gland called the sebaceous gland, excess of this sebum can plug your pores. Beneath the plugs, a bacteria called Propionibacterium acnes or P. acne starts growing. They cause your skin to be inflamed and grow acne. From mild acne like whiteheads, blackheads, or pimples to temporarily scarring acne, acne has a total of 4 grades of severity. There are many factors that contribute to acne growth, like genetics, poor, unhealthy diet, unhealthy and oily food plays a vital role in offering your skin with plenty of pimples, stress, acne bacteria are normally present on almost every skin, but what worsens it to give you acne are your bad habits like all-time stress. Testosterone and other hormone change. Although age is not a factor when it comes to acne, yet teenagers are the most affected body of our population. When you hit puberty, the testosterone levels shoot with other hormones, and hence you have higher chances of getting acne. Skin cell shedding triggers your acne too. Skipping meals or intake of food you're allergic to is also another worth mentioning cause. Cosmetic products can hurt your sensitive skin badly. Other causes include thyroid problems, PCOS, diabetes, mellitus, poor digestion, and metabolism issues. Now let's cut to the chase and discuss how to get rid of this stubborn acne that keeps you restless all the time. First, adopt what suits you. As I have always stated that every individual's skin is unique and acts differently than the others. Hence, the diet plan, a number of products, or the number of efforts you invest in vary accordingly. One thing I can't stress enough about acne is that there is no rush. Trying to heal it in a day is not realistic. Work on it little by little. Add a few things and drop the others from your diet, and eventually you will know what is actually working for your skin and what isn't. Number 2, cut back the dairy products. Studies show that drinking milk or having dairy intakes can drastically increase acne since milk contains IGF-1 hormones that can trigger acne. Reduce dairy consumption if it disturbs you, and if you have to drink milk, use non-homogenized and grass-fed milk. Number 3, try probiotics and other fermented foods. Fermented foods and probiotics are really good for your gut flora. To make and keep it healthy, look for fermented food and make it a part of your diet. Number 4, have plenty of herbal teas. Herbal teas are considered one of the best solutions to get rid of acne. Herbal teas like green tea or hibiscus teas are antioxidants. They reduce stress and improve overall health. These teas contain polyphenols and fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. In fact, in some studies, it is shown highly effective to spray or apply green tea to your face and then wash it once it's dry. Number 5, apple cider vinegar on your face. Apple cider vinegar is prepared by fermenting apple cider. It helps fight bacteria and reduce acne eventually. But how to use it? Take 3 parts of water and 1 part of apple cider vinegar. Mix the solution. Attempt a patch test, and if it goes all right, apply it gently on your face. Try it once or twice a week and check the results. Number 6, zinc-rich meals are very effective in cell growth and hormone development. Researchers have shown that people suffering from acne have a comparatively lower content of zinc in their body as compared to healthier skins. You can find a good amount of zinc in oyster, nuts, legumes, beans, whole grains, etc. Number 7, make omega-3 and fatty acids essential part of your diet. Research has shown that food rich in omega-3 and fatty acids can help reduce inflammation. These nutrients are incredibly healthy and they help reduce the new lesions on your acne. You can find them in salmon, sardines, walnuts, soy products, or wild rice, etc. Number 8, seek endorphins. Your lifestyle and your inside matter a lot when it comes to the health of your skin. Adopt a happy, healthy, and stress-free lifestyle. Exercising, reading a book, journaling, or even talking to yourself or a loved one will lead you to endorphins release, since it's all about what you feel. Number 9, avoid comedogenic products. Artificial chemical products get directly absorbed in your skin and clog your pores. This destroys the natural balance of your skin and lead to acne, eczema, and irritated skin. Any product with these pore-blocking, comedogenic properties like oil-based primers and foundations, etc., can worsen the condition by not letting adequate amount of oxygen diffuse from your pores. Be extra cautious while wearing a face mask these days. Wearing heavy makeup can cause maskne and hence lead to serious consequences. All you need is just a little sunscreen. Number 10, ditch Dr. Google. To actually get your acne cured, considering the guide of acne you are at, try to avoid Dr. Google as much as possible and consult the actual expert before it's too late, because self-medication can lead you to even worse consequences. I know acne is hard to get rid of, and the other commercial treatments are super expensive with uncountable side effects. Home remedies help a lot, but loving yourself or taking care of yourself is the best thing that you can do for yourself. And if you want to learn more about skin and skin conditions and how to heal your skin, please check out my online courses, Holistic Skincare Masterclass, as well as 7-day facelift. And I also have my beauty tools that can help you with acne. Gua Sha. Gua Sha really helps you manage your acne better and even get rid of them. Even the 3D face massager that I have in my tool collection is great to stimulate your face and skin, and also facial cupping that takes away all the toxins from your face. So please check them out on my website, and I'll see you next week with an exciting and informative episode. Till then, sending you love and health.